I actually found this passion at an early age. My father was a contractor since I was probably 2 or 3 years old. So I just remember growing up as a kid in my early teen life, just being intrigued by the projects that he was doing around the house. And ultimately what happened was that I just got really interested in what he was doing around the house, and it was just the satisfying feeling of seeing something change. You know, it's kind of the most basic thing you can do, but painting. Just that transformation, the feeling of walking into a room after it's been painted a different color, is just, to me, and I guess it's part of the addiction, as of the loving what I do, is just seeing that complete different feel that you get when you walk into an area that's totally different. One thing led to the next thing that led to the next thing that led to me just kind of being reunited with this passion that I have, and you know, the rest is history. So here I am, and I'm an owner-operator of Phelps Property Maintenance. I love what I do, genuinely. I know it's cliche, a lot of people say, do what you love. A lot of people don't have that opportunity, and I feel very blessed and fortunate that I found that.